Hey, this is Andre with Windish RV. Right now we're going to talk about the Grand Design Imagine AIM Series camper. This model is an 18BH, so a bunk bed model. Kind of neat, you get a power tongue jack, 2 propane tanks, space for 2 batteries on the front. Get a nice big storage door. You do get pass-through storage on this. A lot of times with smaller single axle campers, you get an itty bitty storage space. So this provides a lot more room for you to pack your gear up. We're going to walk around to the other side of this while we're talking about the pass-through storage. Something that Grand Design does, it's really nice. Your city water connection's right here inside, just like on a fifth wheel. So it's not outside and exposed to the elements. You just run your hose up through this little hatch area here, hook it right up to your fresh water attachment. This has a coil hose for your outside shower. To fill up your fresh water, turn the dial exactly how it is, turn it this way, now you're connected. You can hook up to your city water. It's very simple, all done through just one connection. Another thing that's nice that they do on their slide outs, all your slide outs are solid, fully laminated walls, which are going to provide better insulation, better structure, so you're going to get less moving and binding when that slide out's going in and out, preventing it from getting misaligned as easy, things of that nature. Main thing is you're not going to lose as much energy because of that better insulation and wall structure. This one comes with the wheel and tire package. What that means for you, you get a 15-inch wheel, it's aluminum instead of steel, and you get some off-road tires with it. The only other package you can get comes with the wheel and tire package, but you get 400 watts of solar, a 2,000 watt inverter, so you get kind of a bit more for that setup. Or a tankless water heater. No tanks anymore, so you're not confined to a 6-gallon water tank. Another little storage area in here. Magnetic catches, so you don't have to worry about this dropping on your head. Your drain valves here. Fully enclosed heated underbelly, just like any other Imagine. And your drain valves are underneath insulated and heated. A lot of small campers, most of them don't even have an enclosed underbelly, let alone insulated and heated. And if they are, they definitely don't take the time to put the actual gate valves for your drain underneath and heat them. That's going to extend your camping season, especially here in Colorado. You have a ladder to get up on the roof. This comes standard with a 200 watt solar panel up there. Just if you're wondering, pre-wired for a backup camera or rear view camera if you want to add one. Comes standard with a little hitch. It's an 1.25 inch receiver for like a bike rack. So you're not going to be towing behind it, but you know it's designed specifically for a bike rack. Another nice thing is fully laminated solid rear walls, just like the slide out. Again, a lot of small campers, you'll push on this rear wall just with your fingers and it'll flex. So again, you're going to lose some rigidity and you're going to lose some insulation value there. Not with Grand Design doing that solid laminated wall. Right here, got another little compartment right underneath your nice big awning. It's all wrapped up because it's brand new, but this is a cast iron griddle. Got single burner, but kind of nice. Just right there for you, so cook your breakfast, things like that. You got your awning light, goes all the way across. Nice part about this awning, it's almost the full length of the camper. They couldn't go all the way there due to storage door restrictions, and that's going to be common on most campers. But it's almost the full length of the actual camper itself. Solid steps, so if you're carrying things outside, you don't have to worry about the steps flexing on you. You just have to make sure you hit the stairs when you come out. Hey, welcome inside the 18BH Imagine. You got your Murphy bed here. Kind of neat. This couch just kind of rolls kind of out like this. And then we'll flip down the Murphy bed. We're not going to do that right now because there's bar stools behind it, which actually set right here in the dinette area. The bar stools are actually your seats for you to sit at this kind of breakfast nook, bar area, whatever you want to call it. A little different design, but nice part is you got this nice big window on the awning side and the door side. And if you're at a campsite with lakes and things like that, or a view, they usually put the door side at the campsite where your view is going to be, because the other side is the business side. That's where we hook up to our electrical, sewer, water, things like that. So it was a nice thought, so it doesn't take up as much room, but you gain all this storage underneath with the shelving here, which is really nice. Very well thought out. Kind of while we're on this side, just on the other side of your TV here, this is a big closet / pantry area, nice and deep. You can pull this shelf out if you would like. The shelf is removable, so you can hang things on the clothes rod or just use it as storage. You've got these nice pull-out drawers. Here's your toilet paper holder if you'd like to install that. You can see they kind of have, you got to pull on them a little harder just so things don't pop out well in transit. Another nice feature that they put in a small bathroom. You got your little vanity here with your medicine cabinet. But right here, you got a flip down sink. A lot of smaller compact campers, you won't get a bathroom sink at all. They made this, so it's got this nice flip down sink. So you can use this here. You can just brush your teeth, whatever you need to in here. Of course, you got your toilet. I'll jump in the shower real quick here. Got your little shower. Got your skylight for your taller folks, so you can get some headroom. Of course, you can maneuver this around. That's why they're all on hoses. So we're not all the same size. Here are the bunk beds. Kind of your standard size bunk beds, nothing super fancy. One thing I really like about these guys is they use the roller blinds in here. So it's a little harder for the kids or whoever's sleeping here to mess them up. Unlike those pleated blinds, or some use curtains, and then, kid snags the curtain, pulls the curtain off the wall, things like that. It's just a little bit smoother, cleaner setup. While we're right next to the kind of some appliances here, this is your air intake for your furnace right here. So with this, you have ducted heat in a small camper. This heat, it also has a heat duct going underneath into that underbelly compartment, heating your tanks and drain valves that I spoke about when we were on the outside of the coach, which, like I said, is a really nice feature. In 2023, anything built after February will have an auto sensing converter. So this is your power center here for your fuses, your breakers. That's what your converter is. That's what they look like. But the auto sensing means if you decide to throw lithium on there, it'll auto sense the lithium, so it'll charge the lithium at a proper rate. A lot of older campers, you can't just throw a lithium battery on there without either changing the converter or getting inside the converter and switching some things around. So like I said, anything built after 2023 in February, or I should say after February, will have that auto changeover converter, which is a nice feature. Kitchen area here, one thing I like to point out, cabinets first. You got your hidden hinges, which I like, gives it kind of a cleaner look instead of having piano hinges sitting out right here. Just gives it a cleaner, smoother look on your cabinetry. For countertop space, they made this little fold-up sink. This flips up. Now you got your sink, stainless steel, kind of nice. You don't need it, cover it back up. Same thing, you got your 2-burner stove. Of course, you can fold this down, cover up your 2 burners as well, if you just need some extra counter space. Does come with a convection microwave, so you can bake in it. Works kind of like a mini toaster oven if you use the convection part of it. Otherwise, it works like your standard microwave. You got your 12-volt fridge. Basically, the benefit to 12-volt fridges, you get a little bit more cubic feet inside the fridge versus a two-way fridge, because you don't have that cooling unit in the back, so they're deeper. They go back further, and they cool faster than your old two-way refrigerators. You're going to start seeing that. Here's your little freezer area here. They got the freezer at the bottom. You're going to see 12-volt fridges more and more now in the RV industry. I think that's going to become a standard here in the next year or two. Everybody's pretty much going to go that route. You have, air conditioner. You've got heat. Like I said, you got the tankless water heater on this. It's a very well-equipped little camper. It comes with a 200-watt solar panel standard. What I like about Grand Design is they don't put a bunch of flash and flare in there. They put functional options and accessories in the camper so you can get out, camp, and enjoy nature. Hey folks, thanks for watching. Feel free to come visit us at any of our 3 locations, Lakewood, Longmont, or Fountain, which is near Colorado Springs. Follow us on our Facebook account or check out our webpage, windishrv.com. Thank you.